How to reverse eWallet payment on FNB app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse an eWallet payment on the First National Bank. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the FNB application and log into your specific account. You can also use the FNB website as well. Simply log into your specific account and then tap on the bank icon and then look for the pay option at the top of the screen and tap on it. From there, select History from the available options and choose eWallet from the list of transaction types. The app will display your previous eWallet transactions. Identify the transaction you want to reverse, making sure that it was made within the last 7 hours. Tap on the transaction you wish to reverse and then select the option to reverse the transaction. Choose the reason for the reversal from the provided list and review and accept the terms and conditions. Confirm the reversal by tapping on the Continue button, and please note that the reversal is subject to the availability of the funds in your account. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.